Yo, check out this place. Dang. Been here for 4 days. Had fun and now getting ready to head back to Nairobi. So that's the beach. And then we have a jetty. See, we have some boats. Where currently people are having lunch. So there's no one in the ocean. And this is the hotel. Those are the rooms. Then that's the pool. It's an infinity pool. Hey man, that's a nice view. So I'm at the room. I'm about to check out. Going to miss this view, man. So let's go back to Nairobi. Yeah. Time to check out, Baba. Let's go. Mom. So goodbye, Kilifi. We will be back. Hasta la vista. That is Rea Vipingo on the right and Mombasa Cement on the left. This is the famous Mtwapa town.
That's the only expensive hotel. And the next one is
Pirates Beach. This is City Mall. City Mall, Mombasa. This is Mombasa on a Monday evening. There's traffic jam on Nyali Bridge. Goodbye, Mombasa. It's currently 5:40 p.m. We are going to do some shopping, then head to the SGR station. This is Mombasa Market ama Marikiti. It's a farmers market in Mombasa. And that's the old town. See, all buildings are white. It's currently 6:25. We're headed to the SGR station. It's like the traffic jam migrated from Nairobi to Mombasa. And there are snake lights on the poles. Let's see. I think Nairobi should copy this. Yo, sakaja bana. Okay, lights kama hizi. This is awesome. Goodbye, Mombasa. Goodbye, Mombasa. Till we meet again. This is the Mombasa sunset. Direct. This is the port. That's the Mombasa port. Kilindini Harbour.
It looks by night.
It's around 7:30. Be going with the 10 p.m. train. Let's go.